loves. Chloe's here with us. We just finished spray painting. Chloe, say hi to the community. Yeah. She wants love. So we just finished this one right now. If you guys saw earlier, we did this one. We sprayed the top, but I sanded it down because there was like the spray from the bottle. It came out chunky, so I tried to scrape it, and then it left. When you scrape like sand, I mean, if you sand metal, that's what happens. So I went to do return. Oops, it's still wet. I went to do returns today. I went to 5 different stores for returns. Actually 6 because Staples. And then when I was at one of the stores, I just picked up a second one. And right now I just spray painted. What I did differently this time is I did not unscrew all the screws like we did last night. I just spray painted it just because I realized the screws are not tight anymore for some reason. I can't tie the screws in and they're not tight. So I'm not sure why that is. When I just put it back exactly the way it is. Either way, I'm going to keep them both. One will just be, it'll just mean I have extra spices pretty much. And then this will be like the dud one that I messed up on. And then this will go in like the cabinet or something hidden away. It's still nice. You just can see like slight little like lines of where it was scraped, and the paint is just, it just is not as perfect. The top is good, just that part. But yeah, I just went to go buy another one right now. And I use actually that same one can. And I just figured out, I think it was the way I was spraying it. Maybe that's why it was getting chunky. That's never happened to me before with spray paint. So this time I did it on this side just right now, pretty quickly. I had to really sneak my hand in there, in the gaps, just to like, because we didn't undo it. So I did the best I could with like the little holes to spray paint, but it looks really good. And this one I can definitely put on the counter. And I realized all of the glasses are going to be shown, so you won't even see the inside that much when all of the glasses are in. So it was better not to take it apart. If you ever do this DIY from home, don't take it apart. If it's this company, it will not screw back in. It'll still work. It still goes side to side. It's just kind of loose. And this one is the brand new one we just did, and it looks way better. Chloe is here with us. Happy Memorial Day, loves. We're about to eat burgers right now. My mom finished cooking them, and I just got back from all those stores, and I returned everything. So I'm good. There's new more Amazon boxes. I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to do an Amazon haul so we have more. But I'm so happy that this is finished. I'm gonna look on Amazon to see if we can get maybe a better font for the spice little stickers. Chloe. Because you guys were like about them, and I'm like about them right now. So maybe if we can find one that has bigger text, like cuter text, but like thicker for like the salt and pepper, etc. If not, I like them both. It's hard to pick. But either way, I have to pick one of them. Actually, I have to use both. If I use the other one that it came with, the other one doesn't have the same one. So I have to actually buy one on Amazon no matter what, because now I have two. So double the spices pretty much now. So it kind of was a blessing in disguise that we messed up on the first one. That's my first time doing a spice rack like this, a DIY. I just didn't realize, I kind of knew this, but I kind of just didn't like that it was like lifted on the paint. So that's why I wanted to sand it down, because I just wanted it to be smooth. So I already knew kind of it was going to scrape. I've been on that. I never really have ever scraped. It's only wood that you can sand it down. But I just was like, I didn't like that it was like lifted. That's why I still did it. But it is what it is. And we're going to keep both after all. So that means we have even more spices to buy and fresh, new everything. And then we have more spices to try too, because we have, you know, the stickers are going to be there soon. But also we have double the containers. So everything happens for a reason. And now we have 2 turning spice racks. This one will go on the table in the kitchen, and then that one will go in like the pantry somewhere. And yeah, that's it for this one. I love you guys so much. I'll let you guys know if I do find a better white sticker spice rack, like words for these spices on Amazon. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy Memorial Day.